Kakaintay. Eh? Say hi,
Emma, sorry, no pictures.
Charot. Tulog si sir.
With layers of pastry and soft cheese bathed with
First labas since giving birth. Papa, hi, hi. For a couple of days now, my husband is bringing me food for dinner here in our room. Because I'm trying to put this little boy to sleep. Ay, ay. Catching up on work while the baby sleeps and Papa sleeps. And the big sister's right over there playing. Hi guys! Oh my goodness. Today is November 13 and it's exactly his second month. So my baby's 2 months now and I'm just here to like give you a quick update because I miss you so much, you guys. I missed filming makeup videos. Ang daming ni-release na makeup during my absence and I'm so sorry if I wasn't able to keep up because I have a very demanding boy. So yeah, I'm just trying to like focus on the baby, and I also have a job. I'm a writer producer for Suma sa Puso. So I'm trying to juggle my time between being a mom and my job and of course content creating. So please bear with me. One day isang araw, babalik din tayo sa ating regular programming where I'm uploading regular videos for you guys. Pero I'm slowly getting back to short contents. Yung mga simple get ready with me. So be sure to follow me sa Instagram, sa TikTok, links down below. Para somehow meron pa tayong makeup connection, diba? Ganun yon. Anyway, that's it for a very quick update. Say bye-bye. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye. Bye bye.